Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're going to do some stuffed peppers. Now, it's my recipe, kind of adapted it from another one. I just kind of kicked it up a little bit, so sounds good. We'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, here's the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. Of course, you got your peppers over here. I picked the nice, colorful, yellows, reds, and oranges ones. You can use the green ones if that's what you want. I just like them. We got some boiling bag rice. Got about 1.25 pounds of ground beef. This is lean ground beef. It's about 1 pound of Italian sausage. The original recipe called for just tomato sauce. I like using spaghetti sauce because it's already got all the seasonings in it. And a little bit of wooden tire sauce here, So, and we'll be adding some, probably some of the seasonal, total seasoning stuff here. I like that too, so let me get this stuff moved around here. We'll get some water on the boil, and we'll get this meat a-cooking. Yes, I cook the meat before I stuff the peppers, so hang on. Alright, y'all. We got the water starting back here. That's about a quart of water for one of the boiling bags. We got our hamburger over here and our Italian sausage in here, and so I kind of cut it up into little chunks there. We'll put a lid on that. We'll get that browning, and we'll add our seasoning and stuff to that after it starts browning. So real super simple, easy recipe here. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna core out these peppers, and we'll get those ready. Hi y'all, we got our rice cooking over there. We got our sausage and our hamburger cooking here. Getting it nice and broke up, nice little pieces here, because you want that sausage and that hamburger to mix together. So make sure you break it up real small pieces there. Get all that flavor mingled together. So, all right, I'm gonna add just a little bit of pepper, a bit of black pepper. This is coarse ground black pepper. And I'm gonna add a couple shakes of our Worcestershire sauce, just to get that flavor in there. And we're gonna hit her with a shot of the perfect seasoning. There, that stuff there. The original recipe said to add this afterwards, and like I said, the original recipe also said to use tomato paste or sauce, and then add Italian seasoning, garlic, onion, oregano, and some other stuff. So that's why I use regular old spaghetti sauce to do it, because it already has all that seasoning in it and more. So, and I think it tastes just as good, if not better, mainly because I made it. So, like I said, keep breaking that up. Get that sausage all broke up nice and fine. You can kind of see the difference in color there with the sausage and the burger. So, alright, I'm going to throw the lid back on here. Give her a little mix there. A little more chop. Alright. Throw the lid back on. Got about 5 more minutes on my rice, and then that'll be done. Hopefully this will be done by then too, and we'll move on to the next one. Alright y'all, got the rice done there. I think our meat's about done. Oh yeah, she's about done. You got her broke up nicely there. Oh yeah, got her mixed in there good. So, all right, I'm gonna shut the heat off on that. Now, take your sauce. You can do this in a separate bowl if you want. I usually just do it in the frying pan. You just add just enough of this sauce to get everything moist. Which, in this case, it's probably going to be about half the jar. Don't drop your stuff on the... Yep, about half the jar did it up good. We might add just a little bit more. Just to get a little bit more moisture in there. Oh yeah, got that all mixed in. I'm gonna take our rice, throw it all in there. Get that all mixed in good too. I like to mix the sauce in first, so I know that it's all the meat's covered. Yes, I stole a little bite of meat there that jumped out of the pan. It jumped right at me. It wanted me to take it. So, all right. That's looking awesome. Now this is going to be way more filling than we need for those 6 peppers. But if you're like me, you like the filling more than you do the pepper. So we got extra. We'll throw that in the baking dish and bake it up, because yes, we are going to bake it. So now next thing, throw that lid over here. Next thing we need to do is grab our stuffing and a spoon and just start filling. Get it all packed down in there nice and tight. You want them all packed down there nice and good and tight. All right. It don't hurt to have a little bit on the top. Yes, you can eat this right out of the pan like this. But I found when baking it, kind of makes it firm up a little bit, supposedly. So sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But hey, it's all good. A bit more on the top there. Now I do puncture a little hole in the bottom of my peppers to let some of the excess juice out. So get in there. All right. All right. So I told you there's going to be plenty. I just take the rest of this. I just dump it right down along the sides. Fill all that in. Because, you know, it's all good. Dump some over there. Because it doesn't matter if it's inside the pepper or outside the pepper. It's still going to get the flavor. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I'll put a little bit over here. Just fill that thing up. That's why I make like almost a double batch. Because, like I said, I like the filling just as much as I do the peppers. I actually like the filling a little more than the peppers, but that's between you and I. Don't tell nobody. Alright. We want to get all that goodness. Alright. All right, y'all. Got these things all stuffed up. I'm gonna clean the stove up a little bit, let the oven finish warming up. We'll bring y'all back. One thing I did forget to tell y'all, take the rest of that sauce, just dump it over the top of that. That'll kind of help keep things nice and moist. It'll work its way down into the meat and everything. So, all right, now we've got a meal. So, oven's almost ready. We'll get them thrown in there. We'll bring you back when they're baked. We're gonna bake them for about an hour. So, we'll bring you all back when they're all cooked. All right, y'all. Got them all baked up. They look pretty good. So, I'm gonna grab me see if I can get one out of here with a pair of tongs. Oh yeah. Ooh. Actually, we're gonna do two. I'm hungry. Oh yeah. Peppers are well cooked. Yeah. So, all right. Get this moved around here and we'll do a little taste test. All right, y'all. Time for the taste test. Oh, that is so good. Oh my. Could use a little more sauce in the mix when we mixed it up. Kind of make it bind together a little bit better, but it is what it is. You know, it's all going to the same place. So, but there you have it. Got the Code Red for the beverage of the day. That's delicious too. I like Code Red. So, all right, y'all. There you have it. Bear's kicked up stuffed peppers. Hope you like the recipe. Hope you're gonna try it. You know, super easy, real quick to make. You know, you can actually make them in a crock pot. I know some of you don't like crock pots. It is what it is. It's like a little mini oven. Anyways, 45 minutes to an hour in the oven after you get everything all mixed up and cooked up. Throw it together, put it in there. It's awesome. You know, while it's in the oven, maybe go check out another one of my videos, cooking or the mechanical videos. Would really appreciate that. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up there. Hit the comment section there and tell me that you liked it. Do appreciate that too. So we'll catch y'all on the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. every Sunday night. And that's all we got for today. As always, bon appetit.